Hello, techies! Hope you guys are doing well. A very warm welcome to my YouTube channel, High Tech Masterminds. I am Hitesh, your technical buddy in this journey. Here, we are preparing for System Admin Job Profile. In case if you have missed my previous videos in the playlist, I would encourage you to please do watch them first in order to understand the next. Alright, let's get started. Welcome to Linux, a journey beginners to advance. First of all, thank you for watching all my previous videos and sharing your valuable feedback on them. I really appreciate all your inputs and will consider them in future. Few of my channel viewers have mentioned that the videos are too long, hence going forward we will discuss one topic per video. This will reduce the length below 10 minutes and it will also have enough time to understand one concept per video. This is our third video in the series and today we will understand what are the roles and responsibilities of administrator. Now, this is really a tricky part where this profile has a huge scope of work. However, we can still try to summarize with a fewer bullet points. The very first would be if you are working as both data center and system admin, then you will have to build the system right from the scratch, like receive the hardware components, connect them to each other, build up the system, followed by installing the operating system and configuring it as per application's requirement. Once you hand over the system to application team and it's live, you will also have to maintain its patch level. For now, you can think this as upgrading your mobile operating system for better features, security and functionality along with stability. In system admin's term, you will have to keep on upgrading your operating system for better security and functionality along with stability. Before we discuss the third point, we'll need to understand something related to incident management and change management. Now, incident management is something where some sort of incident happened or ad hoc incident request came from the application user or some other user for that matter. Similarly, the change request will also come. An application user or any user which is using that system willing to change something on live production system, then they will have to raise a change. The change goes through certain process where it is getting reviewed by change management, getting approved by stakeholders, and then once it is approved, the change window will be scheduled to perform the changes. Some changes are like installing the application, then fine-tuning kernel, file system, or network, etc. etc. Now, as we understand what is change and incident management, we will further move forward with our third point, which is install or remove any application RPM and perform any modifications to the operating system as per user request. Now, when user comes up with some sort of changes to the live system, it has to be documented somewhere, which is under our incident or change. The fourth point after that is scheduling a system reboot and having maintenance activities scheduled as well. System reboots are pretty much required because to have the system health stable and have the system hardware running for a longer lifetime, it needs to go through a reboot. Even though the Linux systems are pretty stable, they have to go for reboot because it gives a better stability to the application as well. The hardware upgrade and replacement activities are scheduled with change requests because that also has to be documented somewhere. In future, let's say something happens and if somebody comes and asks like under what change it happened, what all steps you have done, that is all documented under change. That's the reason these change and incidents are required. Fifth one is monitoring system health for system degradation or performance issues. This is required because nobody is continuously watching the system sitting in front of that server and understanding what's going on. Instead, we have third-party softwares like Splunk NaggyOS, or Netcool. These are the alerting systems which are continuously monitoring the system, the server, and if something happens, they will generate an alert reading through the system logs or any command that they can run to get the hardware health. If something is wrong, the alert generates and it will come to administrators team. Then administrators will need to raise an incident to start their investigation and document whatever they have investigated under that incident. Sixth one, the last but not the least, automating repetitive tasks as much as possible, because you have very limited resource in terms of system administrators. Now if they keep on repeating their task, then they will not get any time to attend the high priority incidents. The high priority incidents are like production down issues. What is a production down issue? Where the system is live and the server is live, the application is live, but server went down and it is not coming up. So somebody has to attend that issue and fix it as soon as possible to get the production again live. The system has to be available for the application to run. If we automate as many tasks as possible, then the system admins can utilize their spare time to look after these high priority incidents. Along with these activities, system admin also have to look after user management sometimes. Okay, we have covered pretty much of the daily task which has been performed by system admin so far. In our next video, we should move our focus to our lab and execute few basic commands. That's it for this video, and we'll see you in next soon. Thank you very much for your valuable time. Take care. Bye bye.